In this video, we will explain the maintainer unit of the qualification pathway. We'll help you understand what the course covers, what you must study before taking this course, and the examination process. Successful completion of this unit, along with the following units on the screen now, will give you a full qualification. You'll be awarded the FIA AO Level 3 in Fire Detection Alarm Maintenance, Theory and Regulatory Requirements, meaning you'll be ready to start applying what you've learnt to the workplace right away. This is one of our advanced specialist units and is set at Level 3 on the Regulated Qualifications Framework, which is a Level 4 on the European Qualifications Framework, the minimum level of education recommended in the European Standard EN 16763, Services for Fire Safety and Security Systems. And although this standard isn't mandatory by law, it is incredibly necessary for determining the quality of service that a company currently provides its customers, giving buyers greater confidence into what they are purchasing. Luckily for you, our qualification is the level of education specified in this standard, so you can rest assured in the quality of learning provided for your engineers. The course has 6 areas of study, labelled A to F on the syllabus set by the FIA awarding organisation. Many of the subjects in the maintainer unit were first introduced in the foundation course and will now be further developed with specific focus on the role and responsibilities of the system maintainer, which is why learners must pass the foundation first. The unit will also introduce other related standards and best practice that have not been previously covered. The first topic is standards. In this topic, you'll go beyond regular servicing and learn about special inspections and modifications. It is important that all maintenance technicians have an understanding of those higher skill levels so that the engineer knows they are competent to do certain tests when they need to pass the work to a colleague. Next on the syllabus is documentation. This topic gives a working understanding of the different types of documentation that a maintainer encounters on a daily basis, such as the logbooks and zone plans. Learners will gain an understanding of how to review, record and find essential information about the fire detection alarm system, which is a vital part of their jobs. The third topic, listed as C on the syllabus, is maintenance methodology. Learn how to investigate false alarms, discover the different methods for system testing, and how to efficiently find and repair faults. Next up is Section D, false alarm management. This topic area will help learners understand typical causes for different types of false alarms and how to review false alarm records to look for trends, which may lead to corrective action. Learners will also discover which types of detector are less susceptible to certain types of false or unwanted alarms. The next topic, the responsible person and premises management, is all about the duties of the premises manager. You'll find out how to train the premises manager in the use of the fire alarm system and how to assist the premises manager in reducing unwanted alarms. Not all premises managers have a technical awareness of the fire alarm system, so it's important that maintenance technicians have an understanding of their role so you can provide them with the right information. The final topic, waste management, briefly visits environmental legislation and explains how and why products must be disposed of in a certain way, and not just in the bin. Remember, this is just a quick overview of each topic and doesn't include the finer detail. We strongly recommend that you download the full syllabus to get a sense of the extent of the course. Just click the link below the video. Once you're done studying with us, it's exam time. The exam is set by the awarding organisation, the exam body, and is 2 hours long. As with all examinations on the qualification pathway, it is taken digitally on a tablet and is conducted in standard exam conditions. No books or conferring allowed. Learners are tested purely on their own individual knowledge and understanding of the subject and how it is relevant to their role as a systems maintainer. Remember, you'll also need to pass the environmental and health and safety units to obtain the full qualification. But it really doesn't matter which order you take the units within the qualification pathway, so long as you've taken the foundation unit first. Once you've taken and passed all 4 units in the qualification, you'll be awarded your certificate. If you'd like to find out more about what the course covers, click the link below the video to download the full syllabus, or download the prospectus by clicking the link in the top right. And we look forward to seeing you in one of our classes soon.